Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn off info that the customization service can collect about you on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top, and then tap on the settings button. Now go down and tap on general management. Next, tap on customization service and tap on the back key. In the customization service menu, tap on data management. And by default, calls and message history are collected by customization service, as well as search data, browsing history, and location. So if you don't want your data to be collected, you can switch it off. And then just tap on it and then tap on stop for it to stop collecting your data. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.